What's up, y'all? I'm Dalton. This is my 2019 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. And today we're going to be talking about the 30L Ghost Large Saddlebags by Viking Bags. Alright, so the 30L Ghost Large Saddlebag comes in just over 1,800 cubic inches, meaning it can fit a lot of stuff. And I put it to the test. I ride this bike pretty much every day to work. I carry anything from my laptop to an extra pair of shoes so that I can wear my boots while riding. Sometimes I have overpants in there, an extra jacket, cans of caffeine, pretty much anything I need on a daily basis when I commute 35 miles away from home. And let's actually get into showing you all the different things that we can put in there. Okay, to start, this bag has two latches underneath the buckle. There is one here and one here. What's really cool about this is that you still get this classic design with the buckle, but you get the more modern, easy to use latch at the bottom. It also has a lock and key feature here. Nice and easy. Now it's locked, nice and tight, nice and firm. Can't get in and over to break it open or anything like that. Another 180 degrees the other way, and it pops right open. So as you can see, it has a pretty wide opening. It's 11 inches long by 7 inches deep, and it offers the availability to fit some larger objects into the bag. All right, so I have a larger riding jacket. Typically have this in the morning when it's still cold and brisk outside. This goes in nice and easy. Along with the riding jacket, we've got some gauntlet gloves to keep the wind flow out of our sleeves. These go right in there as well. Now when the weather decides to warm up and we want to take the jacket off, put it in there. We've got an extra pair of gloves that I like without the gauntlet, that's a little bit more comfortable to ride without a jacket. And then say I want to get to a rest stop and I want to take the vest off, we can go ahead and just pop that right in there too. And I mean, everything still fits. You still got room for extras, whether it's a can of Monster, your wallet, a tool pouch, plenty of room. All right, so let's talk about mounting, right? So behind this cutout is your rear shock, and it's very easy, simple process. If you're used to working on your bikes, I would say no more than 25-30 minutes. For a newbie, I guarantee you get this done in under an hour. All right, so the installation for the bag, you would take out the stock mounting bolt for the suspension on the top. You replace that with the bolt that is provided to you from Viking Bags, which has a internal thread for this bolt right here. So this bolt is going into the top of your suspension bolt, and then this one goes into the arm, the fender arm. All right, so another thing I really appreciate about these bags and what makes the installation process even easier is that you don't have to relocate your rear signals. This is stock mounted right there. I can get my fingers in between it, so it has plenty of clearance. It's not going to rub or anything like that. So the fact that I don't have to touch those and I can still have this very full-size bag, that makes me a happy dude. So, all right, something else I really love about these bags is just how rigid they are. One, they're easy to get in and out of because of the quick clasps. But another thing is, like, it's nice and rigid. It has a great firm hold to it, so it's not going to sag over time, especially riding, I'm in California, hot sun. It's not going to break down under the heat. Holds its form no matter how much I pack in this thing. It doesn't bellow out or anything like that. And the fact that it mounts with just the two bolts, I mean, it is absolutely sturdy. I mean, this thing is not going anywhere. And I appreciate the reliability of not having bags flopping around in the wind. So, all right, so the last thing that I'll say about the installation process is the compatibility with the external suspension or the shock. Obviously, this is going to fit your OEM Sportster shock, but the really cool thing about it is it's also going to fit any aftermarket shocks as well. So on my bike, I actually have 13-inch Legend Revo A's on this bike, and didn't have to modify them, didn't have to change the height. I left them right where I had them, which is right at about 12 and a quarter, to give me play with the passenger, and they slid right on. The can't get the camera back there, but I can tell you confidently that there is no rubbing on the shock either. So I do have gold shocks. If I ever wanted to take these off, you know, the shocks are still going to look great. It's not going to rub any of the color off or anything like that. So big plus being able to use these with stock shocks or bigger, longer aftermarket shocks as well. All right, y'all. I could talk to y'all. I'm blue in the face about these bags. Honestly, I am so impressed with them. I wish I had these last year when I went on my Yosemite trip. I could have had everything in here instead of having to stack duffel bags on the back of my 2-up seat. 30L Ghost Large Saddlebags from Viking Bags. Go check them out, vikingbags.com, or the link below. You don't want to miss these. Again, this is Dalton signing out.